1, 2, 3.
Make sure you get me on there too. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Robert Lukat Detail. Here's a black clear coat, and this paint job, if you look at it, if you look at the hood panel right here, at the very front right here, it's shiny. Then it begins to haze up. And over here, if you look carefully, try to get the spider webbing. The spider webbing is an indication that the striations, the micro cracks are getting wider, more contamination is permeating in there. This is going to begin to peel if you don't clean it. The solution to this paint job is not to wax it. You can buy waxes that'll mask it, it'll look shiny, but eventually the paint job is going to crumble, fall apart. What you need to do is you need to clean it. We need a paint cleaner here. This is called Lukat Fix It. It's not a wax. It's an old paint cleaning polish. It works on clear coats and base coat. This paint job in particular is a clear coat, so you won't see no color coming off. So what I want to do right now is, can you still get the striations on there? So I'm going to use this. Don't worry about that. We're going to go back and forth. I'm not doing circles. Please note, I'm not putting this on like wax because there's no wax in it. This is primarily a cleaner designed to remove the buildup. See how nice that's coming out? See if you can get the reflection of the sun, the sky here. This is a beautiful paint job, guys. So when you're doing this, you're not shining, you're actually cleaning and bringing back the remaining color and shine. I'm not stripping it, okay? Look how beautiful. Can you see the reflection of my hand, my fingers? Look at that. Okay, look how much shine and reflection is still there. So listen to this, there's no wax here. This is a cleaner, 100%. There's no wax in it. It won't put a shine on your car. It's strictly a cleaner. It's called Lukat Fix It. Get your bottle today, guys. Use a terry cloth towel. You can clean them in sections. It's very easy to use, but just do small controllable areas. You want to get all that tarnish, all that buildup, all that contamination, you want to get it off. Look how beautiful this guy's coming out. Okay, you don't put it on like wax because there's no wax. Use a terry cloth towel, fold it up in a tight square. Use terry cloth towels. These are the best towels to use for this particular product, okay? Terry cloth towels go a long way, okay? Use a microfiber towel for the removal process and just clean this baby. If you're gonna do this by hand, you can do it in sections. You don't have to do it all in one shot because it's permanent. This won't wash off. This is the permanent state of the paint job. Is when you clean it, it's still shiny. So if you have an ugly paint job, you want to clean it, use this. If your paint job looks ugly, clean it before you wax it, okay? Now, this is 100% clean, but no wax. Okay, that means it's squeaky clean. Now it's a two-step process. First step, clean this guy, bring it back. Now we're gonna use the Easy Sealer Wax. This stuff is phenomenal. When you use this stuff, you can seal and protect the shine on the car. Put this guy on and you do the circles. So remember, the first one goes on like a cleaner, back and forth, no circles. This one you can put on like a wax. And a little bit of this goes a long way. It's really hot today, so try doing it in the shade. You can still use it when it's hot. You just end up using more. So, wow. And this stuff, when you put it on, it kind of almost like soaks it up. And this paint job, it's wow. So I'm putting this on nice and thick. Work it well into the paint because this is a sealer. You do these two steps so that you can detail your car again. And I'll explain right now. The cleaner removes the buildup, and the buildup is what's eroding your paint job. When you see a clear coat peeling, it's eroding. So you don't want to let it erode. You want to clean it when it's hazy. The sealer wax is going to give it a level of protection that's crazy. Look how beautiful that looks. Can you see the sky and the bottles right here? You getting that? Okay. Look how beautiful this looks, guys. That is gorgeous. That is beautiful paint. So a lot of people have this problem where the top of the car looks awful and the sides look good. But look how beautiful they come out when you simply clean them. Now, there is a lot of good waxes out there now. Now you can use them because this is smooth. Listen, you don't hear nothing. Now right here, you can hear that because that's contaminants embedded in the paint. It's in a terrible state. It's crumbling, it's toasted, it's brittle. And over here, it's clean. This is going to take another 5, 10, 15 years to get like this. Even if you wash it, it's not going to wash off because I cleaned it. So again, this is a color and gloss restore polish, Lukat Fix It. This was already there. It's just buried there. So that's what you guys want to use. Check us out at lukatdetail.com and join us in our epic fight against ugly paint job pollution. Oh, please like and subscribe, guys, and get the word out. Later.